If you're one of those hundreds of thousands still without power, you're probably sick of that canned and boxed food. So you and your kids are craving a nice warm meal. WPTV News Channel 5 Stephanie Suskine's live at a school in Palm Beach County and stepping in to help us today. Hey, Stephanie.
Good morning, Ashley. Well, we are at Lake Worth High School right now. It is one of 27 schools across the Palm Beach County School District that will open its doors this morning to feed people a free breakfast and lunch. And now here's how it works. The school will be open from 7:30 a.m. to 9 for breakfast, then 11:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. for lunch today and tomorrow. There is a free meal for any child under 18 and the adult that joins them here at the school. The students do not have to be attending the specific school they go to for the meal, or even students of the district. Now again, this is happening at 27 schools across the Palm Beach County School District. The St. Lucie County School District is doing a similar program along with other organizations like the Boys and Girls Club. You can find all of the information and the schools offering these meals on our website, WPTV.com. Reporting live in Lake Worth, Stephanie Suskine, WPTV News Channel 5.